They took it away. They have stolen it. Really gutted, really gutted. Right guys, I got another MX5 in my drive because some bad people, they have stolen the catalytic converter. MOC is coming soon, so I need to fix this. I already bought a new converter and hopefully we will be able to install it onto this car. This is a piece I have bought. I hope it's gonna fit nicely. Looks like O&M really, just with a slightly shorter converter thing. Really hope it's gonna fit with no problems. And the first task would be to jack the car up and to see the extent of the damage. Right guys, you can see they have cut it out from this side and from this side, and they've done an awful job. Yeah, they have cut it out, the converter, together with the with the flange that fixes to the midpipe, which is a bit of pain because now I need to fix the midpipe as well. Oh, bloody bastards, I can't believe it. I can install the converter right now, try to install it, and then I'll need to find the midpipe or just weld the bracket or something. Oh my god, why have they done it? I just hate it. Looks like they didn't manage to damage anything else. Obviously the gearbox is leaking, but I can fix it. Oh, not good, really not good. I was thinking it's gonna be, I don't know, half an hour job, but no way. Just remove the under trace and you can see there are two bolts that hold the old catalytic converter into the gearboxes, and from memory those two bolts are insanely difficult to undo. Oh, fingers crossed. So it's the next week. We got the car jacked up once again, and we got the midpipe now as well, just to replace the broken bit. Let's crack on. Right, here is a midpipe from Mark Point 2.5. Now I just need to unbolt this flange, remove the lambda, and it can be installed back onto the car. I think we can reuse this gasket in here, look. Yeah. So I removed the midpipe and you can see this bit here, this flange was cut off. You can see they've been trying to cut it there as well. Oh, what the bloody bastards. So now it's actually good that we replaced this one because it's literally falling apart. This flange is fully rotten. It's barely holding there. Right, so now I need to remove this bushing, or whatever it's called, swap it here and install the midpipe. So guys, as I mentioned, this is the second day under the car because last weekend I couldn't fix it because I didn't have a midpipe. Thankfully I managed to source this big boy and it's in really good condition. So what has been done? I installed the aftermarket catalytic converter, struggled with, oh you don't see it, I struggled with this bolt there, just can't get to them easy, but that's all done now. Lambda connected back in. You can see it in here, it's not the best job, just two bolts essentially. It's likely gonna leak, but it's not gonna be a major leak, so I'm happy with that, not really bothered. And what we got there, I connected the back box into the midpipe, and lambda after the catalytic converter is connected as well. So hopefully now everything is good, and it's gonna be the first time, now I will start the car without the exhaust car sounds like. I don't know, V8, just literally like boom, 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 boom. Insane. Old neighbor will look at me like what I'm doing, what this bad man is doing again. Oh, hopefully it's fixed now. Next time if somebody will try to steal the converter, hopefully they will be able to see that this is not the original, it doesn't cost anything, and hopefully they're not gonna sell it off. And if somebody are gonna try to steal the game, hopefully they're not gonna sell it here, they will just do it in here. Because why would you do it in here? Oh my god, you're just insane. I was so pissed off when I've seen that the midpipe was damaged as well. Overall, this costed me 2 days under the car. You can do it in 1 day, so it's not a problem. Obviously I didn't have a midpipe, and it costed me around 150 quid. Oh my god. So let's start the car for the first time. So let's do the start. This actually sounds really nice. Let's go under the car and see. Oh look, now it's gonna burn inside. Oh yeah. Oh, so much fuel smell. Ah. Right, let's see what we got under the car. Looks like it smells fuel in here, but I think it's just maybe lambda doesn't work or something. But I think it works, finally. Yeah, so I think it works. No horrendous noises anymore. So I'm happy overall. I will get the car up to the temperature. We'll drive around the block and see how it's feeling. So far so good. Cool guys, so this was the video, so it's not super exciting, you know, drifting, just fixing the car essentially. But hopefully you still enjoyed it, and see you next time boys.